Hi, today we're making hourglass blocks. First, we're going to make a two-color hourglass. Place two fabric squares right sides together and mark a line diagonally from corner to corner. Then, we'll sew a 1/4 inch away on both sides of the line. Cut on the line and press the seam allowances toward the dark fabric. Now we have two half-square triangles. Place them right sides together with alternating colors aligning. Nest the seams and draw another diagonal line from corner to corner. Sew a 1/4 inch from the line on both sides of the line again. Cut on the line and press the seam allowances open this time. Now it's time to trim. It's helpful to have a square ruler with the diagonal lines marked on it. We want to make sure the seams run through the corners of the trimmed block. Now let's make a 4-color hourglass. This time, we'll start with 4 fabric squares, all different colors. We'll make our HSTs the same way. When we're ready to assemble the hourglass blocks, we just need to put the HSTs with different color combos together, forming a 4-color block. We continue to sew and trim the hourglass block the same way. Now we'll make a 3-color hourglass. This time we'll start with 2 3.5 inch squares and 1 3-inch square. We'll make the 3.5 inch squares into HSTs. Then we'll use one of those HSTs and combine it with the 3-inch square right sides together. Mark a diagonal line and sew on both sides of the line as before. Cut on the line and press the seam allowances open and trim. So, whether you want a 2-color, 4-color, or 3-color hourglass block, now you're ready to take them on.